Students open Canvas for finals. A ransom note opened first. Instructure says it first detected unauthorized activity in Canvas on April 29th, then revoked access and brought in outside forensic experts. The confirmed data taken so far is personal but specific. Names, email addresses, student ID numbers, and messages among Canvas users at affected organizations. The company says it has found no evidence that passwords, dates of birth, government identifiers, or financial information were involved. Then the story moved from hidden data to a public front door. On May 7th, Instructure says the same incident produced additional unauthorized activity. Some students and teachers saw changed pages while they were logged in through Canvas. TechCrunch reported seeing defaced Canvas login portals at 3 schools, with a message threatening to publish stolen data on May 12th if there was no settlement. That is why the image matters. This was not just an outage. A school portal became an extortion display. Instructure temporarily took Canvas offline into maintenance mode, tied the access route to an issue with free-for-teacher accounts, and then temporarily shut those accounts down. The company says Canvas is back online. It also says privileged credentials and access tokens were revoked, internal keys were rotated, token pathways were restricted, and monitoring was added. But the aftershock is not only technical. When names, emails, IDs, and messages are involved, every fake update email can become the next trap. Students, parents, and staff are being told to verify through their own institution and report suspicious messages. The attacker numbers are still claims, not verified impact. The verified story is sharper. A breach reached the place students already trust. The lesson is brutal. A login screen is infrastructure. When that front door changes during finals week, the whole classroom feels the pressure. The login was the warning. Now the front door has to hold.